Everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the implementation of SMTP protocol on Cisco Packet Tracer. So before starting, let's discuss about SMTP protocol. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. The SMTP is a set of communication guidelines that allow software to transmit an electronic mail over the internet, and it is a program that is used for sending messages to the other computer users based on email addresses. SMTP provides mail exchange between users on the same or different computers. It also supports it can send like single messages to one or the more recipients. Sending messages can include text, voice, video, or graphics. It can also send the messages on network outside the internet. See, the main purpose of the SMTP is used to set up the communication rules between the servers. Of SMTP protocol in Cisco Packet Tracer. Take a switch of 2950 and 24. Take two PCs and a server and made the connections. Now give the IP address to the server as 192.168.1.1, and the default gateway is 192.168.1.1, and then close it. And give the IP address of PC, first PC as 192.168.1.2, and the default gateway is 192.168.1.1, and then close it. Give the IP address of PC1 as 192.168.1.3, and the default gateway is 192.168.1.1. Go to the server, services, and then email. Here you can see that SMTP services is on and the POP3 services is on. So give a domain name to this. I'm giving it as email.com. Set that, and the username is PC1. Add it, and the second user is PC2, and give the password to that and add it. After adding that, you can close this. Go to the email. Give the first username as PC1 and email address is pc1@email.com with the domain name. and give the incoming mail service server as 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.1. Give the username, logon information, the username as PC1, the password is, and give the password. After giving that, just minimize the PC0's. Now open that PC1, click on PC1 and then go to email, give the name of PC1, fill the email address along with the domain name. Give the incoming mail server as 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.1. Give the logon information as we have given for the PC0. Then save. Now you can compose the mail that we need to send to the PC0. So if you we want to send that from the second PC1 to PC0, so let's enter the address along with the user domain, the domain name, so that the email will be sent from one PC to another PC. I'm giving the subject as SMTP. As you can see here, the mail has sent from the second PC1 to PC0. The sending mail to PC1@email.com with subject SMTP mail server is 192.168.1.1 sent successfully. So let's open the PC0, click on reply. As you can see, I have sent many times from PC1 to PC0, from one PC to another PC. You have received the mail here that was sent from PC2 to PC1. So PC0 to so here the mail has sent from one PC to another PC. So that's all about SMTP protocol. Thank you.